Wherever Nigerians are.
We were not Teargas, we were poison gas. We were gas with a poisonous gas. It's not a Teargas. Anybody who will test it, was it Teargas? No. It was a poison gas. That was released from the canister that was carried by a policeman who has now run inside. You know how the fire was saying that he wanted some odorless gas. Maybe this is the best place they want to come and use it. Yes.
I'd like you to also respond. Presidential tenure.
That one is an idiot. They are trying to get rid of. Even these 4 years is too long. They are asking for 16 years. Is there anybody in Nigeria who wants to have a 16 years presidency? No. That senator is a foolish man. He should be recalled by his constituents immediately.
So I'd like you to also tell us this thing that has happened. The Senate is saying they have responded to the grievances by passing both the e-transmission and the manual transmission. So why the protest again?
We want a law that has no caveats. It must be mandatory. It must be mandatory. Simple. We don't want shall or may in the law. The law must be ambiguous, unambiguous, and clear. That's what we're asking. That's what we're asking for. And we are calling on Nigerians. Come to the National Assembly in Abuja. We want to show these people that we own this country. Let it start now.
Are you not seeing that it will trigger another unrest?
I've been telling people that that we start this revolution that we're talking about. And it is starting gradually. Exactly. Yes. Let Nigerians come and meet us here. Yes.
We are going to occupy the National Assembly.
Yes.
Today. Not tomorrow. Today.
Action.
Today. We need action.
Man, please, I don't know why they put all this kind of highest chemical stuff.
Is that too much to ask? Nigerian was working our time.
Power to the parents.
What is the shooting at now? We are running. They are shooting at bullets at all.
Larry.
Alpha.
Wait about that.
Nah, they're fine.
Greetings, Nigerian people. As you know, I always have a different position. And my position is that we have waited for too long for these nonsensical people to be running our country.
Yes,
And that, as I predicted when Tinubu came into power, Tinubu is going to cause a revolution to happen in this country.
Yes, sir.
And we are here to deliver it, the judgment that they have been waiting for.
Yes.
Nigerian people, beyond just the transmission electronically of results, we still have a lot of bad people to deal with. And as we are making these demands, we must also be demanding for the termination of the era of impunity